Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. And welcome back to another episode of the Falloween Spooktacular Craft Series. I'm co-hosting this event with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Join us every Wednesday and Saturday for fun fall and Halloween projects. In today's video, I have some fun fall projects that I've created for Scrap Diva Designs, and I will also be announcing the first giveaway winner as well as the second giveaway question. So go grab a cup of tea or a glass of wine, get comfortable, and let's get started. For my first project, I've created these adorable hedgehog cards. This was created from the Hedgehog mini album by Scrap Diva. Before I review this project in further detail, let me show you some of the products that I used to make them. I used the Thankful Words. Now this die has 3 words. This is Thankful Words 2. I used the Fall Stamp Set, the Hedgehog Mini Album, the Acorn Mini Album, the Acorn Shaker Set, and last but not least, I used the Fall Shaker Plate. This came out last year. However, I have used it in many of my projects in October. This has fun acorns and leaves. It also has cute little mushrooms. All of these dies are available at scrapdivadesigns.com. Please use my coupon code ROBYN10 to receive a 10% discount. Also, while you're online, please visit Scrap Diva Designs on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. For more crafting inspiration, just type in hashtag Scrap Diva Designs to see all the fun projects created by her design team, as well as the Scrap Diva Designs crafting community. So let's take a closer look at my projects. This is the first card that I've created with the Hedgehog mini album. I think it is so adorable. It's cute and pudgy, and it just yells, "Hello, fall." On the top of the head, I've got these beautiful fall colored flowers, and flanking the flowers, I've got these leaves. They're a couple of different shapes. These leaves are from the Acorn mini album. I have copper and also this brown. On the top of the hedgehog, I have this adorable bow in green. Now, each of the layers have been popped up on foam. We've got these cute little eyes and the little hands and the feet. And in the center, the hedgehog is holding this shaker acorn. Now, this is the smallest of 3 acorns, and I have a few more that I'll show you in a moment. I have adorned this acorn with a cute little green bow and pearl. And on the left, I have just cut out these fun little sentiments, falling leaves, cozy time, harvest delight. And then I've included these fun little leaves all around. We've got this little butterfly on the side. And then I've added in these beautiful diamond dots all around. Let's take a look on the inside. I have just created a simple layer, and this heart actually comes with the Hedgehog mini album die, and I use the fall stamps to type in "Welcome Fall." This is the second hedgehog card that I've created, and I love this. I think this one is my favorite. This time I made it a shaker card, and I've also used more of these beautiful fall flowers. On the top, we have this cute little heart. We have a little bow that also comes in the die set. I did add this larger bow. This is an older Scrap Diva Designs bow, and I've layered that with this large peach flower. It's flanked by these beautiful fall leaves, and as you can see, I've got these beautiful floral sprays here on the side and also on the right side. Let me give you a closer look. In the center, the little hands are holding a heart, and I've used this beautiful word that says blessed. This is from the Thankful Words too. Now I have a few of these words cut out, which I will show you in a moment. But if you look closer, you can see all of the fun sequins that I've used. I also have some of the die cuts from the fall shaker plates. We've got several different leaves, we've got mushrooms, and we've also got acorns. Isn't that adorable? On the inside, I have just created a simple layer. We have another heart that says Hello Fall. This is also from the fall stamps. And then I added in 2 additional leaves. I wanted to give you a closer look at some of the sentiments that are included in the Thankful Words 2 die set. There are 3 dies, and I've cut these out in a variety of different shades. So the first one here, we have this light gold with the copper glitter. It says Thankful. We have Blessed and Grateful. I just love the font. And then I have this in brown with the light gold, Grateful and Thankful. And then I've also done it in blue and brown. And then we have the brown glitter with the gold. Next, I wanted to show you these adorable acorn shakers. Now there are 3 in the set, and here I have the large, the medium, and then this smallest acorn is featured right here in the center of this hedgehog. But these are so adorable. They're very easy to make. I have them filled with seed beads and shakers. Now, you don't have to create the shaker if you don't want to. You can just make it flat, but I love the way this turned out. So you will see these in several of my other fall projects. Here's another look at my adorable hedgehog cards. I've created a flat card as well as a shaker card. These are so fun and adorable and very easy to make. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I'm going to announce the winner of our first giveaway. Last week, I asked the question, what are your 3 favorite things about fall? Or what are your favorite 3 things about Halloween? Before I announce the winner, let me show you the prize that I will be giving. These are the items that I will be giving away. On the left, we have a popcorn box, and on the right, inside the box, we have a Memory Decks card, which I will show you in a moment. Both of these dies are from Scrap Diva Designs. Let me show you the dies. This is the popcorn box die. And this is the Ticket Memory Decks die. Let me adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look at each. For this popcorn box, I have this adorable little heart on the top. It says popcorn. We've got these fun pastel popcorn kernels that are on the top. I've got this cute little spider. In the center, we've got a little shaker, and then it says boo on the bottom here. This is the side, and this is the back. We have another shaker with a cute little ghost. It says spooky vibes. And then on the side, we have this fun die. This is a double looped bow from Scrap Diva Designs. Now on the inside, I have it filled with popcorn and Halloween socks and candy and other fun goodies. Let me show you the Memory Decks card. This is the Memory Decks card that I've created. I did create a little gift box to hold it. I have this fun double loop bow and this cute little ghosty that says boo. On the inside of the box, we have this shaker ticket Memory Decks. Now this came out in, I believe, the July release of Scrap Diva Designs. Now in the back, you can see the fun sequins. We've got this cute little spider bow here, these adorable little pumpkins, more pastel popcorn pieces. And then on the back, we've got this cute little ghost, and it says a gift for you. And I'm going to include a gift card inside. So now let's see who our winner is.
Yay! Congratulations to Beth Callback from I'm a Quilting Fan.
Beth, please be sure to claim your prize by this Saturday, October 19th. To claim your prize, please send an email to rpitsytquestions@gmail.com. Once again, that's rpitsytquestions@gmail.com. And be sure to include your name, email, and mailing address so that I can ship out your package. Last but not least, the second giveaway question is, what is your favorite Halloween or Thanksgiving movie? Once again, what is your favorite Halloween or Thanksgiving movie? Please be sure to check in next Wednesday, October 23rd, to see if you are our lucky winner. This concludes my video. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy Halloween.